air up the kite?
Yeah, you can get started on that. And then we set this one right here.
Where's the pump gone?
And then you take these middle lines. I'll do it. I'll get it the first time. You just watch one. See how it's knotting up back there? Yeah. Big water stuff.
There you go. Honey, hold on. Push, push, push. No, 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 no. Oh! You got lucky, Ma. Got it.
Right now we're sailing to Fiji. We set off from New Zealand and we stopped at Minerva Reef, had a great time there, and now we're going to Fiji. Oh!
So what do I do?
What do I do? Do I look bad with this button up?
Then get on
Throttle, throttle, throttle.
Hey, get out of here!
Right there.
People be yelling!
Watch out!
It's all the way up! It's all the way up! Hush!
Okay. We're good.
Y'all act like we've never caught a fish before.
Here, I need my
Kate, give him his thing.
I ain't got off. You hold your stat. Here, come roll this one up and I'll deal with that one.
Roll up.
I don't know. This is pretty big. Roll that center line up, Pimp.
Center line up. Oh yeah.
Holy cow.
Why we got this line out?
No. This is a tuna.
I don't have any room in my freezers.
This has got to be a tuna.
Why
Yeah.
do we have this line out? This thing is
That's a
snapped,
teaser.
wouldn't it? Oh, it's a teaser. Okay. I was gonna say if there's a hook on that, you saw what happened to that little whitefish we caught, and it snapped the rod. Oh boy.
I don't know, but my crotch racket doesn't fit me very good anymore because I lost all that weight.
Really?
What do you guys think?
I think you need
I
to
should
shave it more.
I should dye it green. I know there's little parts here and
No, you do not want to dye it green.
You need to get a tan on your skull.
yeah, I do.
What about me? Should I shave my head?
And we must have
Yeah,
gone
I
through
think we
school
should all go
something
bald.
at the same time.
Yeah, it was either school of tuna
Or
or Dorados. I hope it's a Dorado.
I hope it's. Is
that hard
this
pulling
isn't
in?
hard
But
to.
he's not up on the top of the water.
Might be a tuna.
Oh, that's like a Dorado. I don't want that thing.
That thing, I thought you liked Dorado.
No, not a Dorado, but
This is a good hook.
Stripe. Stripe it, look at the stripe.
look at me.
You want to pull him on the deck?
Yeah, he might fall. He might.
Hold it.
There we go.
Out of here.
Down to the deep end.
How hard is that pulling?
All right.
How do you feel?
Pretty good.
Tired.
No, not yet.
Fishing! We're on our way to Fiji. There's Fiji right there. I'm not sure if you can see, but if you can, cool. 7 hours to Suva. We'll be there pretty soon. It looks silver. I saw it over there and it looks silver. Didn't look like a mahi. We've kind of lost our fishing excitement back on the mono. Like when we used to catch a fish, it used to be like,
Don't let him move.
whoa!
Get on the other.
It is a tuna. It is a tuna. Oh, jeez. That is violent, Dad. You are such... So if you could just scooch over. There, just sit there, Jack. Don't get the camera angle. He's having a little seizure. Don't. Oh, look at this dude. Skinning an animal in Red Dead Redemption goes way quicker. You guys are slow. Like all he does is he grabs his hunting knife, he throws the deer on the ground, he cuts it, peels it off, boom, he throws it on.
Puts it in his bag, he goes like this, he takes it.
Puts it in his pocket.
I don't even know where he puts it, he just throws it over there.
Imagine if the fish just farted. The fish fart?
Yeah, there's his liver.
Liver.
No, it's a delicacy in some places.
Jeez, that's a lot. Oh my god. Oh my god, he X game. He X game. Oh, he X game mo. Alrighty, so we caught a fish. How was it?
It's good. We got it done.
My hands are wet and smell fishy, so you know what I'm gonna do?
No.
I'll reel those lines and I don't want to catch another one tonight.
Okay.
Get us back going, boy.
Both of no, just one. It's both in Dad. No, just one.
120 hours?
Dad, are both engines on or just one?
Just one.
Is that right? 100 hours?
Well, yeah, at 3 knots.
Oh, yeah. That's right.
Where's the cork to this one?
362 miles.
Yeah.
Well, talk to you later. Hi, everybody. Jack, what are we doing?
I practice foiling.
No, what are we actually
There's
doing?
an island over there. We're getting into Fiji tonight around 8 or 9.
Fiji is up there about 70 miles, 73 miles. I'm not sure if you can see anything. We're pulling in, brother.
We're pulling in to Dinnerau.
Oh, I thought it was Suba.
And now we're in Dinnerau.
Wow.
Or,
Oh,
yeah,
Suba,
pretty sure it's
or
Dinnerau.
Dinnerau.
And we gotta be here for hopefully only till Tuesday. Because COVID-19 stuff, so.
Yeah. You're
It's
very
good.
bright right now. Cover up your nipples, jeez. You don't want all those girls going crazy. Yeah, we're just anchoring and getting this done. Not much to video here. It's really dark out. Catch you later, yeah!